Imagine a war-weary Russia compelled to relocate significant portions of its air defense systems from within its own borders into Ukrainian territory. Now, add into this scenario one of Ukraine's most elite military formations, the Alpha Unit, and the relentless drones they deploy. The outcome of this potent combination throughout 2025 was the systematic decimation of Russia's air defense infrastructure. Over the course of a single year, Ukraine managed to obliterate approximately $4 billion worth of Russian air defense assets, effectively shattering Vladimir Putin's protective aerial shield. These losses highlight a critical failure in Russia's air defense capabilities, as their systems were unable to neutralize the very weapons designed to counter such attacks. The relentless campaign, carried out by Ukraine's Alpha Unit within 2025, was nothing short of extraordinary. On January 19th, Business Insider reported extensive details revealing how this elite group, operating under the Security Service of Ukraine, SBU, wreaked havoc on Russia's air defense network. Using waves of drones and an increasing arsenal of long-range missiles, the Alpha Unit did not focus on the usual military targets such as command centers, refineries, or logistical hubs. Instead, their primary focus was the destruction of air defense systems, a strategic choice that led to devastating results. The operation was so effective that in just 12 months, they inflicted damage valued at $4 billion in destroyed Russian air defense equipment and radar installations. The Security Service of Ukraine confirmed these claims through its Telegram channel, emphasizing the significant blow dealt to Russia's extensive air defense network by the Alpha Unit's long-range precision strikes. These special Air Force operations targeted key components of Russia's Echelon air defense system, inflicting substantial losses. The SBU stressed that the Alpha Unit was indiscriminate in its targeting approach. Any Russian air defense asset, regardless of type or location, was vulnerable to drone strikes. This campaign is expected to intensify further as Ukraine moves into 2026, signaling a strategic escalation in offensive drone operations against Russian air defenses. Continuing through this video, viewers will uncover Ukraine's evolving drone warfare tactics, including a sophisticated technique that enables drone strikes at distances previously considered unattainable. This innovation has played a critical role in extending the reach of Ukrainian forces and maintaining relentless pressure on Russian air defenses. The Alpha Unit's success in 2025 is underscored by the sheer variety and sophistication of the Russian air defense systems it destroyed. Euromaidan Press provided a comprehensive overview on January 19th, highlighting the specific systems targeted by the Alpha Unit's strikes. Among the Russian air defense systems destroyed were the formidable S-300, S-350, and S-400 models, integral parts of Russia's long-range and intermediate-range defense capabilities. The S-300 family consists of roughly 24 variants, each tailored for different operational roles and ranges. Despite their advanced design, none proved capable of withstanding the Alpha Unit's relentless assaults. The S-400, one of Russia's most sophisticated air defense platforms, boasts a range of about 400 kilometers, approximately 248 miles, and is capable of intercepting aircraft, ballistic missiles, and other airborne threats. Nonetheless, many S-400 units were neutralized during the campaign, alongside several S-350 units, which provide intermediate-range coverage between 10 and 120 kilometers, 6.2 to 74.5 miles. The losses were not confined to long and intermediate-range systems alone. The Alpha Unit also targeted and destroyed various intermediate and short-range air defense systems, including the Buk and Pantsir complexes. These systems are designed to protect key assets from aerial threats at closer ranges, but were unable to withstand the persistent drone and missile strikes. The comprehensive nature of these attacks illustrates the Alpha Unit's strategic focus on disabling Russia's layered air defense network, making it easier for Ukrainian forces to conduct further operations with reduced risk from enemy air interference. The destruction of $4 billion worth of air defense equipment in just 1 year by a single elite unit represents a significant shift in the dynamics of the conflict. The Alpha Unit's actions have not only weakened Russia's defensive posture in Ukraine, but also posed a serious challenge to its ability to project air power and protect critical infrastructure. This campaign demonstrates the increasing importance of drone warfare and precision strikes in modern combat, where smaller, highly specialized units can achieve outsized effects against traditionally formidable military assets. Looking ahead to 2026, the Alpha unit is poised to continue and even escalate this campaign against Russia's air defenses. With innovations in drone technology and operational tactics, Ukraine is enhancing its capacity to strike deep into Russian-held territory, undermining the Kremlin's strategies and forcing Russia to divert resources to defend against these asymmetric threats. This evolution in warfare underscores the growing significance of special operations forces and unmanned systems in shaping the future battlefield. In summary, the Alpha Unit's 2025 campaign serves as a striking example of how targeted, high-impact strikes can erode a seemingly impregnable air defense network. By focusing on the destruction of Russian air defense systems, ranging from the S-300 to the Pantsir, this elite Ukrainian force has systematically dismantled critical components of Russia's aerial shield. Their success highlights not only the tactical prowess of the Alpha unit, but also the transformative role of drones and precision-guided munitions in contemporary warfare. As this conflict continues, the Alpha unit remains at the forefront of Ukraine's efforts to regain air superiority and disrupt Russian military operations.